Okay, so back to what we were saying back then. So I was trying to show you that this formula, equation one, this is equation one. This one I said is equation one altogether. So equation one, equation two will give us two different answers. Why? Called the Pemdas formula. Let me show you something. So now in equation one we have, okay, let me copy this entire equation and put it in Excel. This is for equation one. So let's say we put our, first of all, enter Excel, put your equals to, let's paste that formula here. Are you seeing now? Okay, so now see, are you seeing this? This is the equation one. If you press enter, you see you get 33. I was gonna, if you press enter for equation one, you get 33. Let me paste that guy. Let me paste that formula here so that you see what we're talking about. So it was equation one that gave us 33 altogether. Equation one gave us 33. See? So now look at equation two. Equation two different from equation one. You see? So now you see in equation two, the only difference between equation two and equation one is the bracket. Are you seeing that there's no bracket in equation two, but there's a bracket in equation one? Now let me bring it into Excel. And if you copy that formula here and you press enter, even now you get 9. And you're wondering how is it that? Okay, that's okay. This should be 9. So here. Okay. Let me copy something. Let me copy equation 2 again. Equation 2. And paste it here. When you get 9, and you're wondering what's the difference? Well, the only difference, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. The only difference is that this guy had a bracket, this one didn't have a bracket. So why is it that? Why does this make such a large difference? This is one of the errors you might make while you're doing calculations with Excel, because Excel only solves based on the Pemdas formula, meaning it only solves. It will first of all solve if in a equation like this where we have bracket, multiplication sign, addition sign, subtraction sign, raised to power sign. Are you together? It will always the first thing the Excel will always do is first of all solve what's inside the bracket first. Then the next thing it does is to solve the exponential. The next thing it does is to solve the division, the multiplication, the addition, then subtraction. In the absence of bracket, Excel will look for the next thing, that is E. So E, P is our bracket, P is the parenthesis. If there is no parenthesis, the next thing Excel will do is to look for E, and E is the exponential. So Excel, in the absence of bracket, the next thing we'll take is the E, which is what happened there. I think that's what happened there. So that way you have exponential is raised to power altogether. So in the absence of a bracket, next thing you take is the exponential. So that's why here you have 9. So what Excel did here was to first of all find the exponential, which is 2 raised to power 2. That was 4 altogether. That was, then at the end of the day, Excel had something like this and this. So you think this might not really make sense to you, but the more you practice, it will make sense. But what I'm just trying to tell you in this video is how Excel calculates itself. How Excel calculates. Understand? So if while you're doing mathematical operations with Excel, just keep this at the back of your mind that Excel calculate with the Pemdas formula. It will always give reference to the bracket first, then next to the exponential, then next to the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, and so on and so forth. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something, but I didn't waste your time. Thank you for watching.